If you are a new scrapbooker, I've got a surprise for you. Announcing Scrapbooking 101 Getting Started Workshop. I've been working really hard on this workshop because my heart is to help people preserve their life's memories and stories in a meaningful way. And there is no better way, in my opinion, than with scrapbooking. If you've been curious about scrapbooking, this is your opportunity. When you enroll in Scrapbooking 101, you'll understand what scrapbooking is all about and your personal purpose for doing it. You'll eliminate the guesswork of what tools and materials you should buy with a fun shopping trip to a local craft store. You're going to learn about organizing your photos, preserving your vintage photos, and organizing your supplies. We're going to review the various styles of scrapbooking and the different approaches that you can use for your own projects. And then finally, we're going to apply everything that we've learned, all the layout and design principles that will lead you into making a class project, which is going to be 3 scrapbook layouts. After you take this workshop, you will be equipped with the knowledge to take on even more scrapbooking projects confidently. Everything I'm sharing in this course is what I've learned over 20 years of scrapbooking, and I want you equipped right from the start. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.